Hello children. In the previous video, we learned how computers are useful in banks and at railway stations, airports and bus depots, right? In banks, we use computers to keep record of customers' account. Then we'll use ATM to take out money from our account. Then we'll use computers at railway stations, airports and bus depots to book tickets, right? Today we'll see how computers are useful in hospitals and in shops and restaurants. Okay, first we'll see the uses of computers in hospitals. Patients' records are kept on computers in hospitals. So in hospitals, computers are used to maintain patients' records. You know, when you go to hospital, they will collect your details, right? And they will enter all the details in the computer, right? Whatever the disease you have, it will be noted in that record. So next time when you go, they will take your record. It is in the computer. So when you give the number, they will take the record quickly. Okay. So to maintain patient's record, hospitals use computers. Next one, computers help doctors to find about the disease a person suffers from. They'll use computer to diagnose the disease. See if some new disease comes in, no? So with the help of computers, they will find out what disease a person is suffering from. They will use scanners. Okay, those devices are connected to the computer. So with the help of that, doctors can find about the disease a person suffers from. See here, MRI scanner. So patient is going into a device. That device is connected to the computer, right? So with the help of computer, they are diagnosing the patient. Got it, children? Okay. Next, computers also helps to prepare medical report. So with the help of the previous action, so we said the device connected to the computer, right? So with the help of the computer, doctors will prepare medical report. What disease they have, what tablet has to be given, when the surgery has to be done, what treatment has to be given further. All the details will be in the medical report. Got it, children? So in hospitals, computers are used to maintain patients' record, and it also helps doctors to find about the disease. It also helps to prepare medical report. This is how our medical report will be. Okay? Next, in shops, you would have gone to the shop, right? So computers are used to make bills. Very good. Computers are used to make bills in shops. So computers are used to make bills and keep a record of items bought and sold in shops and restaurant. If you go to a market, shops, after you purchase, you will go to the billing section. There will be a computer. They will feed the items what you purchased. Okay. So they will maintain a record. What items you bought. What are the items? When you get it, the number of items what they have become less. So from that they will calculate the number of items they have. Okay. So computers are used to make bills and also to keep a record of items bought and sold in shops and restaurant. So this is how restaurant bill will be. After you have your food in the restaurant, restaurants means hotel, they will give you bill, right? So this bill is prepared with the help of computer. You'd have experienced this, right? Yes. Your bill from shop, number of items, what are the items you got, how much quantity, what is the cost of each one, what is the total price. So everything will be prepared in this bill. This is done with the help of computer. Okay. No matter how many things you buy, your computer will make everything within a second. Your computer can make a bill within seconds. Got it, children? Okay, in shops and restaurants, computers are used to make bills. Thank you.